Okay, guys, I am in a trade and I am buying. I bought um Boom 500, which is this one. I bought it. Okay, I bought Boom 500 where I expect the market to come somewhere there on uh on that level. This one here, and the reason is simple. Okay, the reason is simple why I bought what I bought, because it is very much significant to understand that. And on top of that, there is something that you must know. I bought what I bought because I needed you to understand me being in a trade and why I am trading the way I am trading. So I'm going to take you on a 4-hour time frame where I'll even do this. And one thing that I want you to understand is that, let me show you some shapes. I'm going to put a rectangle right there. So here is a level of, there is a level of an order block right there where I expected the market to come and spike. Let me just try to put some stuffs where you can be able to see, and then like that. So if I squeeze a little bit like this, you'll be able to see that there is an order block right there. Okay, there is a level of an order block right there. And where is this level? This one here. There is this level of order block. Okay, this one here, where the market came and left that order block. So that order block was left, and then it sponsored a move to the upside. So when the market came, I expected to buy again. When the market came, I expected to buy again, because the secret to order block is that order blocks, these are candles. They are blueprints that shows that it is these guys with huge money who entered there and pushed the price up. So now these guys cannot just hold for a short period of time. They can hold for a longer period. So the market came again because there was still presence of their entries to the buying side. The market pushed up. Again, the market pushed up. Again, the market pushed up. And finally, the market was pushed to the extent that this structure was broken and the market went up. So again, I am having an experience where the market comes to this same level, where there is already an order block, okay? Where there is already an order block. So let me show you clearly what I mean by that. The market come right to this same level, and what it did is that it even made this a little bit as if it is going to come down. This was just a trap to trap many people to thinking that the market has already broken the structure. So many people were trapped here. Guess what? They bought, they sold. But you and I, or myself, were looking to do what? To buy. Okay? We're looking to buy. The other reason is, the reason why I bought this is because of this order block which is there. There is that order block. Let me show you. Right there. There is that order block. Again, it went and reached right there. Okay. So I'm going to put it nicely like that. Let me delete this one. That is the order block. And what is an order block? An order block is these are candles where market makers leave their trades or place their trades. So what you can see is that the order block is defined by what it does, and the character of an order block is that it is the one these guys used to break a structure. So this was the last bearish candle which these guys used. As you can see, it is still spiking and going up. I'm in a trade. So they entered from there and it sponsored a move reaching up there. So as how strong an order block is determined by its move from where it is to where it breaks the structure going to a certain direction. So in this case, this order block here sponsored a move from there towards that level. Okay? And at the same time, this level was acting as a supply before, but after the market went and then created a consolidation above. So this consolidation was also this is where continuation pattern comes in, and the market goes up, comes and then spikes on that same consolidation, again goes up, breaks that level, again comes. It created this consolidation for about 2 to 3 days. And then the market broke that structure, which was acting on top there as a supply. But when it was broken, it automatically became a demand. Let me put this. It became a demand. Okay? So after it became a demand, the market went up there. Sorry. It became a demand. The market went up there like that. Like that, came here, a demand was created, the market spiked up. This level was broken because it wasn't that strong. The market came, created a demand there, and after this demand here was broken, it became a supply. The market started consolidating and then dropped. They were aiming to come to this order block where I had made my entry. So I did enter a buy because I knew the market is coming from this order block. And guess where it is going? Let me show you. The market is aiming to go and test this break of structure here. This break of structure here. That is where the market is coming. It will either end here or proceed to come and test this level. All right? Because ever since this structure was broken, the market has just been dropping, 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 dropping. And what they are trying to do is that they are trying to cover up for this gap, all right, to fill it with the price movement. So they are trying to push the price up, okay? And the other reason why they cannot just drop the price is that there are orders, sell orders which are already trapped. Those people who were still holding, trading against the spike are in deep loss. Okay, so many of them are trapped. Therefore, there is no way these guys can just bring the price to the downside at this time. No. They are trying also to go to this level where they did a break of market structure. And then what they are going to do is they did a break. Now they need to do a retest. Okay, and then they will try to end the price somewhere there. That is what these guys are trying to do. Okay, now let me take you on a 1 hour time frame and see. So this is what is happening. This is what is happening. This order block is the one which, this order block below is the one which sponsored a move to the upside. And this structure has been broken. So our other level of interest or point of interest where the market is looking to come is that level where the market did break that structure and also the demand here, which now will become a supply when the market goes there. So my take profit, I'll put it, it is going just to be there. All right, that is my plan. Now, if I take you now on a 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, this is what you will see. On a 15-minute time frame, that is what you see. My entries were just on point right there because I knew it was going to spike. Okay, I knew it was going to spike. I entered exactly right there on this candle and it did spike. If I take you on a 5-minute time frame, this is what you're going to see. Look at these spikes. The market is going up. So now the reason why I entered was I saw the market coming. I saw the market coming like this, coming like this. Now I entered there for many reasons. The first reason is that the market had gone up. It broke this structure. Always trade in the direction of the break of structure. It broke that structure. So what the market did was that after it broke that structure and it created a new high by breaking this high here, it came now to retest the break of structure. After it reached there, already there was already a heavy presence of buying pressure right there. So the market had no any other option but to spike. And the other reason is because of this bullish order block, which sponsored a move and broke that structure. I entered there because of that bullish order block. So when I saw the market coming towards this area, I knew I had to enter. It was an opportunity, so I entered, and the market did spike. Now, if I take you on 1 minute time frame, look, that is a precise entry. Okay, that was a precise entry. It is. You need to learn these things. Look at this. Exactly there. I entered more positions and the market started spiking. That is how you should trade. Learn to see the market in that angle, and it will be very much difficult for you to make losses.